Welcome back to our trading tutorial series. Today, we're exploring a crucial feature for risk management on Altrady, the Reduce Only function. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Reduce Only. We will explain the primary purpose of the Reduce Only function, when to use it, and how you can use it in Altrady. The Reduce Only function is only available for futures exchanges. It's a safeguard for your open positions. It ensures that an order can only reduce your position, not increase it. This function is particularly important for managing existing positions. Why and when should you use Reduce Only? There are several key scenarios. 1. Locking in profits to secure profits from a position without accidentally opening a new one. 2. Risk management, for trimming a position size to reduce exposure. 3. Strategy, implementation, allowing a take profit and stop loss order to be active at the same time. When the take profit is executed, the stop loss will be removed and vice versa. Now let's see how you can enable and use the Reduce Only function in Altrady. Start with an open futures position in Altrady that you want to close or partly reduce. Check the Reduce Only option at the bottom of the order form. You will now see that your balance at the top of the form shows the remaining balance of the current position. Select the order type of your choice for the exit order. For example, a limit order. Set the size and price of the order. Now, place and review the order. Please note that if you want to place multiple take profit orders, you will have to adjust the size for each order. If you use too many funds on a lower order, the previous higher order will be cancelled, and your position is at risk of not closing completely. Alternatively, use a ladder order to place multiple take profit orders at the same time. You can now set up a stop limit order to make sure the position is protected against a higher loss. Set the stop price, limit price, and size, and place the order. You can see both orders are now visible in the chart. When the price reaches any of the two orders, the other order will be cancelled and the position will be closed. Note that Reduce Only is automatically applied to smart orders during processing and does not need to be checked in the order form. And that wraps up our quick guide on the Reduce Only function in Altrady. It's a powerful tool for managing your trades effectively and safely. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Happy trading!